Let's walk through setting up your store coverage in eLocate. In this step, you'll add the zip codes your store serves so customers can easily find the location that's right for them. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. Now, let's continue. Open the store coverage section for the store you're setting up or updating. This is where you'll add the zip codes for the areas your store serves. To add a zip code, enter it into the tag field. Then press enter or type a comma to add it to the list. Keep adding zip codes until you've covered all the areas your store serves. If you ever need to remove a zip code, simply click the X on its tag. Once you've finished adding the zip codes your store serves, click Save to create your new store. If you're updating an existing store, click Update instead. That's it! Your store has been created. Next, in the following guide, we'll set up your global filters to organize the information you'll use across your store locations. Remember, help is always just a click away. Simply click Get Help whenever you need access to Epic's support resources. And if you'd like a live demo or a little extra help with setup, just send us an email at support@epicshops.com. We'd be happy to walk you through it.